Children, in this video I will give you the concept of relative velocity. Velocity of one body with respect to another body is called relative velocity. It can be experienced in platform. When the other train moves, it appears that our train is moving. Consider one more example. Suppose velocity of body A is 5 meter per second. Velocity of B is 3 meter per second. If they start from the same point and travel in the same direction, so after 1 second A covers 5 meter and reaches to point A dash. Similarly, B covers 3 meter and reaches to point B dash. So the difference between them is 2 meter. We can say A is 2 meter ahead of B or B is 2 meter behind the A. So after 1 second, A is 2 meter ahead or B is 2 meter back from the A. And distance covered or displacement covered per unit time represent velocity. So after 1 second, the relative velocity of A with respect to B is 5 minus 3, that is 2 meter per second. Or symbolically it can be written as VAB equals to VA minus VB. After 1 second, B is 2 meter behind, so we can write relative velocity of B with respect to A equals to 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 meter per second. This minus sign is indicating that B is behind A. And if they travel in the opposite direction, they start from origin O, A travels towards right and covers a distance of 5 meter, B travels towards left side and it covers a distance of 3 meter. So displacement between A and B after 1 second is 8 meter. So combinedly they travel the distance of 8 meter in 1 second. Hence, after 1 second, separation becomes 5 plus 3, that is 8 meter. So the relative velocity of A with respect to B is 5 plus 3, that is VA plus VB, or VAB equals to VA plus VB. Or we can say relative velocity of B with respect to A is VBA equals to VB plus VA. Relative velocity of A with respect to B is VAB equals to VA plus VB. Conclusion. If two bodies move in same direction, we take the difference of their velocities, and when they move in opposite direction, then to calculate the relative velocity, their velocities are added, as in case of VAB and VBA. In this example, car A and car B are moving with the speed of 75 km per hour towards east and 90 km per hour towards west, means they are moving in opposite direction. First we have to find the relative velocity of A with respect to B. So VA is 75 km per hour towards east, VB 90 km per hour towards west. Two cars are moving in opposite direction. Therefore, relative velocity is the sum of the two velocities, that is VA plus VB. 75 plus 90, that is 165 km per hour towards east. Now, relative velocity of B with respect to A. VBA equals to VB plus VA, 90 plus 75. Here also the answer is coming 165, but direction is towards west. We take the direction of the first body. Here VB is B is the first body and VB is towards west, so the direction of relative velocity is towards west in this case. Third part, relative velocity of ground with respect to A. With respect to A, what is the apparent velocity of the ground? Actually, ground is not moving. But when we sit in a car or bus, it appears that the ground is moving in backward direction. So here we are going to calculate relative velocity of ground with respect to car A. That is VGA equals to VG minus VA. So VG velocity of ground is 0, velocity of car A is 75. So velocity of ground with respect to car A is coming minus 75 km per hour towards east, or it can be written as plus 75 km per hour, 75 km per hour towards west. When we change the direction, the sign also changes. Same answer can be written as minus 75 km per hour east or plus 75 km per hour west. If car B also moves towards east, then what will be the relative velocity of car A with respect to B? So VAB equals to VA minus VB. जिसका भी आपको रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी निकालना हो तो उसे पहले लिखते हैं और जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में निकालना हो तो उसे बाद में लिखते हैं. VAB का मतलब है रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ A विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू B. तो VA को पहले लिखा और माइनस साइन लगा के VB को बाद में लिखा, क्योंकि सेम डायरेक्शन है. यदि अपोजिट डायरेक्शन होता तो बीच में प्लस साइन आता, और डायरेक्शन हम उसका लिखते हैं जो पहले में लिखा हो, जैसे VA. तो A का डायरेक्शन यहाँ पे मेंशन किया जाएगा. So after putting the values 75 minus 90, VAB is coming minus 15 km per hour towards east, or we can write plus 15 km per hour towards west. See, after 1 hour from origin, A covers a distance of 75 km, B covers a distance of 90 km. With respect to B, A is 90 minus 75, that is 15 km towards west, and with respect to A, the car B is 15 km towards east. So both the answers are correct, minus 15 km per hour towards east or plus 15 km per hour towards west. In this question, a rocket is moving upwards with the speed of 240 meter per second, and it is ejecting the gas downwards, and the relative velocity of ejecting gas with respect to rocket is 560 meter per second, and we have to find the speed of the gas with respect to the person who is standing on the ground. Since rocket and gas are moving in opposite direction, therefore relative velocity of gas with respect to rocket VGR equals to Vg plus Vr. Here Vg stands for velocity of gas and Vr stands for velocity of rocket. Vgr is the velocity of gas with respect to rocket. So Vgr is 560 meter per second downwards. Vg we have to calculate. Vr is 240 meter per second upwards. So on simplifying, Vg is coming 320 meter per second downwards. Now consider the special case in which the bodies has certain length and they are moving with the certain velocities. Then time of overtaking or time of crossing can be calculated by the formula. For time of overtaking, T equals to L1 plus L2 divided by mod of V1 minus V2. Here L1 and L2 are the lengths of the two bodies and we are taking the mod of V1 minus V2. क्योंकि ऐसा पॉसिबल है V1 ग्रेटर देन V2 हो तो हमें V2 माइनस V1 ले लेना चाहिए, या V1 ग्रेटर देन V2 होगा तो V1 माइनस V2 लेंगे. ये जो डिनोमिनेटर का टर्म है नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा, जो भी बड़ा है उसमें से छोटे को माइनस करके लिखना है. ओवरटेकिंग मतलब दे आर ट्रेवलिंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, तो जो रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी आएगी दोनों वेलोसिटी के डिफरेंस के बराबर आएगी. जबकि टाइम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग के समय मतलब एक दूसरे को जब क्रॉस कर रहे हैं तो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं तो रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी v1 प्लस v2 आ जाएगी. ये सिंपल फॉर्मूला, टाइम इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. डिस्टेंस का मतलब है टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द टू बॉडी, स्पीड का मतलब है रिलेटिव स्पीड, रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी. कंसिडर दिस एग्जांपल इन विच two trains are running with the speed of 108 km per hour and 72 km per hour respectively. The length of the first train is 120 meter per second while the length of the second train is 80 meter per second. Here in the question you can see speed is given in kilometer per hour whereas distance is given in meter. So we should convert the speed into kilometer per hour into meter per second. Hence, the velocity of the first train, which is 108 kilometer per hour, can be written as 108 into 5 by 18 meter per second. That is 30 meter per second. Similarly, for second train, the velocity is 72 km per hour, that is 72 into 5 by 18, that is 20 meter per second. For time of overtaking, t equals to L1 plus L2 divided by V1 minus V2. After putting the value, it comes 20 seconds. And time of crossing means the two trains are moving towards each other on parallel tracks, so they will take lesser time as compared to overtaking. So by using the formula t equals to L1 plus L2 upon V1 plus V2, it comes 4 seconds. This fourth example, do it yourself. For fifth example, it is said that a motorboat covers the distance between the two spots on the river in 8 hours and 12 hours respectively, downstream and upstream respectively. Find the time required by the boat to cover this distance in still water. Upstream मतलब against the stream and downstream मतलब along with the stream. So when the motorboat runs along the stream, the speed of river get added to it and it takes lesser time, that is 8 hours. And when it goes upstream against the stream, the speed of river is subtracted from the speed of the boat and it takes more time, that is 12 hours. Suppose the speed of boat in still water is Vb and Vr is the speed of river. So for downstream, velocity equals to distance upon time, that is Vb plus Vr. डाउनस्ट्रीम में दोनों स्पीड एडअप हो जाएंगे, इसलिए Vb प्लस Vr लिखा। डिस्टेंस दो स्पॉट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस x लिया है और टाइम टेकन फॉर डाउन स्ट्रीम इज 8, तो यहाँ पे अपॉन में 8 कर दिया। सिमिलरली फॉर अप स्ट्रीम अगेंस्ट द स्ट्रीम, द रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी बिकम्स लेस, क्योंकि रिवर का स्पीड उसको अपोज कर रहा है, तो इसे Vb माइनस Vr लिया है इक्वल्स टू x अपॉन 12। इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को ऐड कर रहे हैं तो ये Vr का टर्म कैंसिल हो रहा है, लेफ्ट साइड में 2Vb आ रहा है और राइट साइड में एलसीएम निकालने के बाद 20 अपॉन 96 x आया, जिसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो x अपॉन Vb यानी डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड ऑफ बोट, सो डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड इज टाइम, दैट इज t इज कमिंग 9.6 आवर। इट मीन्स स्टिल वाटर में उन्हीं दो स्पॉट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस को कवर करने में मोटर बोट को 9.6 आवर का टाइम लगेगा।